So up here we actually have some other directions that we could go, including Broadway. So we just kind of walked around a little bit, and we could continue going down this way, but instead we're going to follow that sign to Broadway, which is this way. And we're going to oops, see what it looks like. I haven't been here in quite a while. But yeah, there's Broadway Food Street. So the Galaxy Casino is actually connected to the Broadway, and you can go over top of this overpass right here, and it'll connect the two. And I've done quite a few videos of Broadway in the future, so I'll connect it at the end. But yeah, kind of interesting. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Kind of show you the view. There's a view that way, so that that goes down south to Koloan. So you can see some mountains, Koloan Mountains down that way as well. And up that way it goes north, so you can see Taipa Grande and then part of the Galaxy as well. So the Galaxy is huge, it goes all the way down that way. And it looks like I can't do that way because of the peak is already there. But that's part of, you can kind of see it below a little bit. Okay. Let's go check out a little bit of Broadway. It's also part of Galaxy as well, so I think today will be interesting because there's so many Blackpink fans everywhere today. Actually, what I think I'll do is I'll create a new video of the Broadway one. But yeah, this overpass connects the two. So, okay. Okay, so we're at Broadway. Actually, this is usually a lot livelier, so we're just going to see what's here. This is a little food street that's right in this space, and Galaxy is right down that way. You can see the casino. So let's just kind of see. We'll just go around the corner, see what we can see, and then I kind of give you a little glimpse of it. Wow, okay, there's some changes already. Actually, this now connects to these buildings over here, which is new. There are people around here. This will be open up later and it'll be filled with people, but it's a little bit early. It's like 4 p.m. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just walk all the way down and kind of check it all out. Yeah, and actually that's another bar too, so a lot of those two would be pretty popular tonight. But it's like 4 p.m. right now on a Sunday. Stay tuned. So we are definitely gonna walk down Food Street, but I haven't been here in a little while. There was a wall here. Now they open up the wall because there's this is kind of leads into this little like knick-knack shop with a bunch of these private little spaces in here. So these are kind of exclusive residences with like little yacht access to the water as well. I haven't been on the street in a while. There's Galaxy down that way. So now they actually have the street open. This wasn't like that before, so we could actually do that one. But I think I'm gonna try to catch it from down there as well. I should probably come at nighttime, but happy hour every day at 5 o'clock, so it'll be a little bit later. I was kind of thinking about I don't know, just should catch this live later, I think. But this is basically part of the Galaxy, this little kind of nightlife food street area, kind of a mix of different stuff. There's stuff for little kids, there's stuff for expat community. We hang out those two bars behind us. There'll be some restaurants like this in here, Thai restaurant for example. I guess we're getting more people down in here, so maybe what I'll do is I will film this separately. Okay. And like before COVID, they used to have a lot of mainland Chinese bands play in that space. It was always kind of a tourist area, but on the one corner would be like locals would hang out, foreign locals. There are foreign locals here, by the way. Not everybody is. So we're gonna walk all the way down. We do have quite a few people here today on a Sunday afternoon, more than I thought. think there's another band here called Yin War. So I think that those people had Yin War stuff. Got some foods here as well. Let's kind of see what they got here. Oh, okay. It's pretty popular. So, okay. And you can kind of see some of the Blackpink stuff right there as well. So they're here today. So maybe what we'll do is we'll just kind of come around real quick and then we'll just kind of highlight it. There we go. So we kind of have some just ended right now. If that comes back, we'll highlight it again. So maybe we'll go back out again. Okay. So kind of cool. Ice cream shop. We're gonna come on in this way. So actually they got all kinds of interesting stuff in here today. Because of the Blackpink mix, and I guess there might be 2 different concerts today. Is that possible? Or either that or the, yeah, they all have stuff that says Yin War. Okay. So I guess what we'll do in this one is, this is part of the galaxy. I'll probably put some videos into the Galaxy one and then some videos in the Broadway one. That's windy right there. I think what we're gonna do is kind of walk. It's kind of crowded everywhere. Broadway restaurant. So what we're gonna do is, that's the entrance. They're still doing construction over there as well. So there's a Circle K right there as well. So let's give it a little 360 here. So Broadway Casino. And what we're gonna do is walk down this way. There's a Dragon Portuguese Cuisine on the corner here. So we're gonna kind of maybe walk around a little bit on the corner, kind of show you what's here. The waterfront is down this way as well. And then we're gonna come back down to our main spot as well. Yeah, before they used to have a lot of tourist stuff before COVID, and then it looks like all that stuff is gone now. And have the waterfront here as well. Let me just see if you can see it, but there's a little thing that goes all the way down. It goes about a couple kilometers. You can see part of China over there, Hengqin it's called. University of Macau is over that way as well. These are all these financial district of Hengqin. So they're building all that, and then you got the waterfront all the way down. And then you also have, I think we might be able to walk. Let's walk down this way a little bit. Okay, so what we're gonna do is try to go down that way. Just give you a little context of where we are. There's all these pink benches everywhere. So we're just down that way. And I just kind of took the camera off for a bit, just because what we're gonna do instead is I'm gonna take you around the corner. I'm just gonna see if this is a dead end or if it keeps going. But also, we can also kind of highlight this spot right here. So this next to us is this kind of new thing. So they have this trail that ends right there, but that's for the community. And then this one right here is a private one, and it's just for these people that live right there. So they kind of have their own little area, and I don't know if I can see it or not. I think I cannot, but over there there's a little bit of a pier. I just took the camera over top of that, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. But anyways, these are all like these really beautiful villas. They're massive, beautiful windows. You can't see in them, but you can see out them for sure. And I have highlighted that before, but that's all right in there. And now they built all these ones over here too. those little villas, and then also these tall apartments as well. And what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna jump over there. So, but it's here nonetheless. So we just came from there, and we're basically coming back out here, and we started over there, and we're just gonna walk. We're gonna walk into the Broadway and just kind of show you a little bit of filming inside. So let's do that. And then we're gonna work our way back to the Galaxy as well. And yeah, they have these concerts here, this Blackpink stuff. Blackpink stuff? K-pop band, sorry. Gotta show lots of respect because this is really popular and it's great for the city. That was not disrespectful at all. My apologies. Okay, so it's going in. And we're gonna, there's some fans in here, and there's also some things here. Galaxy. So what we're gonna do is go up here into the Broadway. We're just gonna make our way back to the Galaxy, but at least you can kind of see what we're looking at a little bit. Live Broadway Macau. Okay. So it looks like we have to go through the restaurant a little bit. So we're going to navigate through here. Okay, got some nice artwork, and we're heading towards Galaxy. Okay. Broadway Food Street, that's what we've just done. And now we're right in the middle of it. And they got some other box office over there for another show. Okay. So we're gonna head on up to the up here. Okay, so that's a little bit of the lobby of the Broadway, and we just basically were in that food street up that way. So there's 38 food experiences, and yeah, they are celebrating Blackpink, so there's a lot of stuff set up for that today. Oh, this one is Yin War, so it's another group. There's Yin War. So I guess it's some kind of meeting that they got today. Huh. So I guess this is a meeting. So they're doing some kind of fan meeting, so that's what this is. Oh, okay. Let's pause this for a minute. Okay, so that connects the Galaxy with the Broadway. So there's a little, and we're gonna take it, and I guess right here they have a little fan meetup. So we're just gonna walk in it real quick. But I guess what they're doing is having this little thing with fan meeting, War Mana Rock. So I guess they're gonna come and check it all out. So anyways, that's here too. And we're just gonna walk back into Galaxy, but that's another thing going on. I was wondering, I saw signs for it, I didn't really know what it was, but now I know. So so that's basically what it is. So that's a little slice of Broadway. We're gonna come back, and we got a sign right there that says Galaxy. So that's what all the commotion is about right there, Born Pink. So they're here in Macau, so they're at the Galaxy Casino. So there's a lot of people walking around in black and pink, and then there's another fan club over there for another teenage band. So it's actually really good. Good for tourism, good for business, good for all the excitement. Brings in a lot of excitement for people that have kids like myself. Yeah, if you're curious, I just kind of highlight the city of Macau, so you can always check it out. And right now we're walking into the Broadway casino. Sorry, walking out of Broadway into the Galaxy Casino. They're connected by bridge. Same company, but Broadway is basically the one that has all the food court and kind of like a little bit of a nightlife spot. And then this one is basically more shopping. You see some more Blackpink stuff right there. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la